Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2015 65 Reg 430D M Sport Convertible in mineral grey. This is a very high spec convertible vehicle. I'm going to show you around all of the features and options. Starting with the exterior, of course, you'll see there it features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside a brand new set of 666 competition style alloys that do of course also feature 4 brand new tyres. Sitting just behind those you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. And on this convertible 4 Series, we do have the full M Sport Plus package alongside some very nice other options. We've got the engine light and xenon headlamps. You should be able to see hopefully throughout this video, it's a very clean and tidy example. Down the side, we've gone for the satin sidebars, side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. In terms of the interior, it does have a full black Dakota leather. With my favourite option, it has got the M highlight option. So as you can see, there is blue stitching throughout and then the tricolour logo there. Both drivers and passengers front seats are heated. They have got the electric movement and memory, as well as this vehicle has got the convertible comfort package, so you get the air collar, heated seats and a heated M Sport steering wheel, something we'll look closer at shortly. Harman Kardon surround sound of course, and for rear passengers you've got a very comfortable and yet spacious 2-seat Isofix rear bench there with the central folding armrest. Before heading round to the very rear of the car, again trying to show off as best as possible how great these alloys look set against that mineral grey. Really popular combination are the 666 competition style alloys. Round at the back we've got front and rear parking sensors, as well as a rear facing reversing camera. And of course, like all folding metal top convertibles, you're often going to think there is going to be no boot space, and currently you think it's exactly the same. However, you are given this little rocker switch which gives you the ability to lift all of the metal folding roof out while stood at the back of the car. Really nifty yet useful tool. Once that's all lifted out of there, you'll be able to see for yourselves that we've got a really usable boot space. And whilst I'll show you that, is of course worth mentioning we're currently running a click and collect service here at Your Next Car at the moment, and if you want to find out a little bit more about that and of course this wonderful car, all you have to do is simply follow the links I'll leave for you down below in the description. From there, that'll take you through to the website and you can view all of the prices and funding options available for this wonderful 4 Series alongside all of our other amazing examples. Now that's all folded nice and neatly back away, we shall of course take a seat inside the car, where I'm going to begin with putting the roof up, allowing you to take a look at how easy that is to operate, alongside showing you all of the other great interior features. Just behind the air collar system, so that's these 2 buttons here, is the roof activation switch. Simply push that forward and the roof will begin to activate. And in the meantime, I'll show you around a couple of the other functions and features, including the professional wide navigation and media screen. You'll see there the vehicle's covered just over 59,000 miles. It does of course include the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside cruise control and a speed limiter function as well. And in a moment we'll get a bong to remind us that the roof is done. There we go. Now that's complete, I'll have more control over the photos of the camera. Having that widescreen certainly will help using the really intelligent sat-nav system. There is of course also Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, wide array of multimedia inputs including Bluetooth, USB and AUX inputs. There is that really helpful rear facing reversing camera along with your front and rear parking sensors. If we go back through into the main menu, put the car back into park, you'll be able to see that we have got all of the service requirements in green. Up at service requirements, i.e. the service history, you can see there we've got service history all the way up to 40,000 miles, and ourselves will be shortly carrying out a service, and again that will be a record of that on screen as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around video, and mustn't forget to show you the heated steering wheel of course. Again, if you do want some more information on this wonderful vehicle, simply follow those links I will leave for you down below. And again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.